I'm about to play two 10-second videos. Watch them carefully, and then let me know in the comments which one you think is fake and which one is real. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Now, tell me in the comments which one is real and which one is fake. You've got 5 seconds to answer. Time's up. Here's the correct answer. You can create AI talking photos, use AI text-to-speech, and even play around with an AI voice changer that lets you mimic the voices of over 100 popular celebrities, public figures, and more.
Like right now, I'm speaking to you in Joe Biden's voice.
How cool is that? And you can switch between tons of different voices. But be careful not to misuse the AI voice changer for anything inappropriate, or you might run into some trouble. Besides that, there are so many other AI tools you can use for free on this website, like an AI video translator, URL to video, or you can also call it blog to video, AI image to video, text to video, AI video enhancer or upscaler, AI image combiner, AI avatar with green screen, video AI dubbing, AI dancing photo, AI studio Ghibli filter, AI script generator, AI headshot generator, AI voice translator, AI avatar generator, AI cartoon generator, HD AI background remover, AI vocal remover, AI attractiveness test, AI baby face generator, where you can upload your photo and your crush's photo, and the AI will guess what your future child might look like, just for fun. And you also get a free AI music generator here that you can use commercially in your videos, also for free. Finally, there's an AI video compressor that works without losing quality. Phew, so many AI tools. I'm exhausted just listing them. Please give this video a like, gracias. You can explore all these AI tools, some are free and others are paid, but you can still try out the paid ones. Today, we're diving into the AI FaceSwapper, and you can experiment with the other tools on your own. So, let's not waste any more time and get started with the FaceSwapper. To get started with this AI tool, first head over to vidnoz.ai.com. Next, click on Login and you'll see several options to create your account. You can log in with Gmail, Facebook, LinkedIn, Microsoft, or register with your email. I'll quickly sign up with Google here. Once you're registered, you'll be automatically logged in. Then just scroll down a bit on the left side and click on AI Tools. As soon as you do, you'll see a bunch of AI tools appear. You can use any of them. Some are free, while others are paid, but you can still try the paid tools with limited credits, and you get new credits daily. Alright, in this video, we'll see how to use the AI FaceSwapper and how well it swaps faces in a video. So, let's click on AI FaceSwapper. Next, you'll be taken straight to the page where you can swap faces and images. The first option we have is Photo Face Swap, where you can swap faces and photos. So, let's try it out. The first step is to upload the image where you want to swap the face. For example, I'll upload this photo that I generated with AI. The second step is to upload the image with the face you want to swap onto the other photo. So, I'll upload one of my own images here. Now, to start the face swapping process, we'll click on Swap Face Now. Now we just need to wait a moment, and the face swap will be done. And look, it's already finished. This AI is super fast at face swapping, and just check out how perfectly the face has been swapped in this photo. It's amazing! After that, we move on to video face swapping. To swap faces in a video, we first need to upload the video where we want to do the face swap. For example, let's upload this video. Then we need to upload the image of the face that we want to swap into the video. First, to upload a face, click on Upload Photo. Let's go with Angelina Jolie's image for this example. Next, click Swap Face Now to start the face swapping process. It usually takes a few seconds, around 10 to 20, so be patient for a bit. Once the 20 seconds are up, the face swap in the video should be finished. Alright, let's hit play and see how it turned out. I've done videos on a few AI face swappers in the past, but this one really takes the cake with its results. Seriously, just check out how realistic this video looks. If you showed it to someone, they wouldn't have a clue it's AI generated. Alright guys, I was planning to show you how to do a multiple face swap. It's super easy, but I just ran out of free credits. I'll get more in about 12 hours, so sorry I couldn't demo the multiple face swapping right now. But if you enjoyed the other AI tools I shared, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more cool AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.